Right from the beginning, welcome out everyone. My name's Josh Feltz. Really excited about the results that people are having, the platform that we put together to help people during such a crazy and interesting time to be alive in the world today. I would like to say that during the middle of chaos, worry, anxiety, people not knowing how to really create serious income, and just this massive transitioning happened in the world, that's going from manual labor to just this more automated AI, the internet-based world that is drastically different than what we have grown up with, okay? So I want to introduce you today to a potentially life-changing moment for you and show you the power of Forex partnered with the power of AI technology. So we are Manifest. Whoever invited you to this call, maybe sent you this recording after the call was here because you couldn't watch it live. But what I love about what we're doing is we are a massive family that's just winning on a really big level and helping thousands of people all around the world make money on a consistent basis, whether they're actively doing something or if they're just making money passively with our AI technology. So with that being said, I want to talk about what you're going to discover on this call tonight and the real key points that you should focus on. The first one is the power and future of Forex. Okay, we're going to talk about the largest financial market in the world, how the banks have been using all of our money for years upon years now to create massive wealth and just left us out of the equation. We're going to talk about the secrets of the wealthy, what they've been doing and why we weren't told about it, why Manifest makes sense, who we are, our team, where we're at now, the results that we've been having. There's also a way to take part in our rewards plan where you can share and get paid here at Manifest, and why it's so important that you don't delay and get started with us today, okay? So with that being said, I want to start off at the very beginning of this with the cash flow quadrant. Robert Kiyosaki does something that I really feel like so many people don't take the time to think about in life, and that's where you are and where money is. Okay, when you look at the majority of the people, you'll find them over here on the left side of the quadrant, which makes up 95% of the people between employees and self-employed, right? What's interesting though, you have 95% of the people over here on this quadrant, but there's only access to 5% of the wealth. And when I talk to people, whether I'm doing mentorship, traveling and speaking on entrepreneurship and success and wealth, I ask someone, is where you're at right now, is there enough money to be made to actually make you happy and give you your dreams? Right? I feel like so many times we don't take the time to think about where we're at, what we're doing, and if it has the ability to bring us what we want, right? And what we see on the other side of the quadrant is what I would say is freedom. Right? You have business owners and investors. This makes up 5% of the people, but over here, there's 95% of the wealth. Can everyone give me a yes in the chat box if you agree that you being on the side where there's 95% of the wealth makes a lot more sense than just hanging out with the overpopulated area and the lack of money? Right? And so often I feel like we don't think about this. And this is why Manifest makes sense, because we have a way to take the average person from the left side to the right side, whether you are employing people as a business owner or whether you're waking up to the new age that we live in using technology. Right? You've seen McDonald's. They literally have kiosks that you can go up and order from. Different airlines traveling, rather than going up and talking to a person, you can go right to a kiosk. We're massively transitioning. And the CEO of IBM said over the next 5 to 10 years, over 40 million jobs will be replaced by AI technology. So I would like to suggest to you tonight that rather than just being a person that sees AI technology and even participates from it in a standpoint of just being a normal person, and this is where society is going, to now being a person that's profiting off of AI technology. So let's get into the power and the future of Forex. If you've never heard of Forex, Forex is the largest financial market in the world, $6.6 trillion per day. It's short for the foreign exchange market. Okay. What this market is all the currencies around the world being traded and exchanged on a daily basis. So just to give you a simple idea, if you've ever traveled in an airport and you've ever seen an exchange center, right? Maybe you've went to another country. When I went to London, I had to take my US dollars and trade it for the Great British Pound because that's the currency they use there. So I got whatever the current rate was at that time in exchange for pounds versus dollars. Okay. And when I came back to the US, I made the transaction in the opposite way. I gave them pounds, they gave me dollars. Now, what's different about what we're doing is we're not changing anything hand over hand or even having to go in and actually buy anything. We are making money as the value of these currencies fluctuate. Whether they go up or whether they go down, you have the ability to make money. See, this is very different than the stock market. In the stock market, you're buying shares. When the market moves up, you make money. If the market's moving down, you are in what's called drawdown. All right. What's beautiful about Forex and also cryptocurrency, whether 24 hours a day, 5 days a week with Forex, or 24 hours, 7 days a week with crypto, you can make money on any device anywhere in the world right from your phone, regardless of which way the market's moving. And for me, that's a really important thing because there is a reality that we're going to go through times and periods in society that massive crashes are going to happen. We saw it in 2008 and we saw it at the very beginning of this pandemic. And it's been really a wild show ever since that started and what we've been experiencing. So what's powerful about this is imagine doing what the banks are already doing with your money. Okay. Can everyone say yes in the chat box if you agree with me that if someone's going to make money off of your money, it should probably be you and not the bank? So many people make money, but where they stay average, or dare I say stay broke, is they put their money to work for someone else after they make it. They go work for it. The money goes and works for the bank, right? And what I know is this, and Warren Buffett made this very, very clear. He said, if you do not learn how to make money while you sleep, you'll work until the day that you die. I don't know anybody around the world that if you just asked them, hey, you want to work until the day you die and that be your dream come true, there's not many people that I know that would raise their hand and say, I'm so excited about that. But what we see is people sign up for this every other day because they don't know another way. All right. So why Manifest makes sense is you can make money while you sleep. You can create your own business. You can do this from anywhere in the world. Once you see the results, you can share this with people that you care about and also help them. And at the end of the day, you can manifest and live a life that you ultimately desire to live. I think the days of not being happy and doing what you want to do is over. It just doesn't make sense. Life is too short and we have too much available in the world today to be able to change that. Cryptocurrency, Forex, guys, more millionaires are created today than ever before in history. All right. And we have put together an all-star squad, an amazing platform and technologies for you to utilize. And I want to introduce you to our team. First, we're going to start with the co-founder, Jimmy Bennett. This gentleman right here is a serial entrepreneur. He literally went from being homeless like 10 years ago, struggling every single day, to creating and becoming a multi-millionaire from an investor and influencer. He also owns 2 different financial services platforms, Pension Partner and Southgate Wealth. He's been featured in different news articles all around the world. And what I love about Jimmy and why we started this is Jimmy has a heart of gold, and it's one thing to get it, and it's another thing to help other people get it. And that was our mission. We didn't just want to be those that got it. We want to be those that then went and gave it and help other people get there too. Myself, Mr. Josh Phelps, I'm literally an educator, speaker, and investor. I've been in the banking industry for almost too long now. From the time that I was born, I grew up in the ministry world and the banking world. My brother owns a billion-dollar credit card processing company. We actually own a company together, Better Payment Solution. And the thing for us is me and Jimmy both to spend a lot of time in the banking and financial industry. And what we found is just average people have no clue what the wealthy people in the banking industry is doing on a daily basis. And I'll tell you why. We simply weren't taught that. So what we've done here at Manifest is we've made it available to you, whether you want to just make passive income with technology or you want to learn the skill set, you have the best of both worlds. Now, if you do want to learn how to trade, whether binary options, Forex, cryptocurrency, we have the best of the best. I want to start off with our Director of Education, Mr. Al Edwards. This gentleman is a 7-figure trader and educator who is hands down one of the best that I've ever seen, and one of my great friends that I'm proud to know and travel the world with and help people get financially free and get the right information about money. We also have Mr. Curtis Nickerson, our swing trader and harmonics educator. You're going to see in a minute that we have an amazing harmonic scanner that goes in and looks at the market for you. This is for our manual traders. All you do then is you go in and you have the ability to take advantage of the entry points that it's showing you. And he's going to teach you how to really utilize this, as well as learn how to be a swing trader if that's something you want. The powerful thing of swing trading is it's more of set it and forget it. You're waiting for the market to get where you're looking to get. Then at that point, you let it ride. It's really, really powerful. Okay. Then we have Mr. Angus Levy. This gentleman right here is one of the best binary traders that I know. His goal is literally to make 5 to 6% a day in 20 minutes or less and get out of the market, right? Get in the market, make your money, go enjoy your day. Okay, so regardless of what you're looking for, we have here, and I'm excited about it. We have our academy that's teaching you from the basics to advance, how the skill set works, how you can be a consistently profitable trader. We have our AI software, 100% passive. You set it up, it does all the work for you. Our Compass Scanner, this is a manual trading tool that's going in, looking for Fibonacci patterns in the market and showing you places to get in and get out. All right. We have our live sessions, which you're going to see here in just a second, the schedule that we have. It is brilliant. You can get on with our top educators on a daily basis, learn directly from them, ask them questions. It is absolutely brilliant. We have the Kryptonite Package coming soon, where you're going to get live education, training, and market insights from one of the best out there. And I cannot tell you how excited I am about this. Check this out really quickly so you kind of have an idea. The time zones that you see, it's in Eastern time. So literally, regardless of where you're at in the world, whether you want to come and trade live during our London sessions, binary options, or you want to just learn the skill set, right? We have different classes throughout the day that you can take time to join. The same way that you would watch a TV show, now watch something that can help you make money on a consistent basis. It just makes a lot more sense, all right? Now check this out. This is the Platinum Elite AI software results. I want you to look in 2020. This is what it did over here on the left side. All right. You see from January to December, it had amazing months, some higher than others. But on average last year, our average return was 37% return per month. Absolutely insane. Now, I do want to give this disclaimer that past profits do not indicate future gains. There is risk involved with trading, and you should never risk more money than you can afford to lose. I don't care what it is that you're investing in or what it is that you're doing. Always make sure to use risk management. Don't put yourself in a troublesome situation. All right. Here in 2021, January, we had 70%, a huge month. February, we had 27%. March, there was about a week off that the software wasn't running due to transitioning us, updating everything. At that point, it did 16% in March. If it would have got its full month, it would have done over 20%. Okay. So we're excited about the results, and we know this. Albert Einstein made it so clear. Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it. We want to show you how to put your money to work for you the same way the bank is. It's almost too simple. Imagine having something working for you, regardless if you're sleeping, regardless if you're working, regardless if you're out on a boat, right? If you're out fishing, you're spending time with your kids, your money is still working for you. This is how powerful our software is and what it does. All right. We are doing something right now that is absolutely ridiculous. Okay. This is for a very, very limited time. The waiting list is officially open. So whoever invited you here, if you're not ready to jump all in, you can try it out for $1. This is called Design Your Destiny for $1. We have a special program right now that we have that's coming live here very, very soon. The waiting list is open. So you can ask whoever invited you about this. But for $1, you have the ability to try the software out. And it's a 60-40 split in the company's favor. Okay. So let's say that the software made $1,000. You're going to get to keep $400 of that for only $1 that you paid. Okay. It's absolutely insane. Once you see the results, then you have the choice to upgrade if you want, or if you say, you know what, I would rather keep the majority of the profit. Why would I give up 60% if I could get access to the Platinum Elite software doing the returns that it has been? And I want you guys to see this. With the Platinum Elite package, you're getting all the education, the scanners, the live sessions, the live signals. We have a brand new special thing coming that I'm about to show you here in just a second, which is absolutely game changing. Okay. But this software is usually $199 per month. We have it on special for $149 per month, or we have a $500 savings if you choose to go ahead and purchase it annually. Now, with this software package, the Platinum Elite, if your software makes money, there's a 25% performance fee attached to that. Okay, so you're going to pay the $149 a month. Then at that point, you're going to also have a 25% performance fee on top of what is taking place with the AI. Okay, very, very important. This is only based off profit, not just the capital you have sitting in there. So if it doesn't make any money, there isn't any money to take. But here's the big thing. There's never been a day that we've lost. It has made money every single day. We've been running this over 16 months now. Okay. The next thing that we have is the royalty package. You get everything included with the Platinum Elite package, but you also get access to the royalty AI software. So with the royalty pack, you get to use 3 AI softwares if you choose. You could use 2 of the royalties, 1 of the Platinum Elites, 2 of the Platinum Elites, 1 of the royalty. You can choose. And it's really cool to diversify your money utilizing the different softwares that we have. Usually this is $319 per month. We have it on special right now for $269 per month, or an amazing savings on the annual. It's $19.99 instead of $2,690 annually. Okay. Super, super powerful. People are literally, and I want you to go into our manifest results group on Facebook. People are literally making more than the return or more than the cost on a daily basis at times. Literally, people made thousands of dollars the other day. The software did 10% in one day. Is that normal? No. Our software usually averages 0.5%, 1% a day. Some days it does more, some days it does less. But at the end of the month, we've always seen it done on average 20 to 50%. The only time it hasn't done that was when there was a disruption in service for a week where we were maintenance everything and reconnecting some things. Okay. So absolutely brilliant what you have access to. And I want to talk about our featured package. This right here is the Manifest CEO Club. All of our other packages come with the 25% performance fee. So whatever the profits are made from the software, not manually trading, if you trade 100% of that's yours. We don't take a cut of that. But our software, we're doing all the work. We're managing it. We're running it. You literally set it and forget it. You can check your profits on a daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis. You choose. All right. But check this out. You get access to everything you saw above. You get a exclusive CEO Club merchandise pack. And here's the big thing. There's no performance fee on your profit. 100% of what you make is 100% yours. You make $1,000 in a day, a week, a month, you keep 100% of that. It is absolutely amazing. You also get VIP to all global events, 20% commission you make when you refer someone personally. So let's say that someone spent $4.99 a month. You're going to make $100 a month on that if you are a CEO Club member. And this thing is filling up faster than you could possibly imagine. So those of you that are looking, we have a huge discount right now. You can see it here annually compared to what it normally is, or you can get in at the monthly for $499 right now, or annually for $3,999. This is absolutely amazing. Okay. I want to show you it just really quickly. We have an amazing rewards plan. When you refer people, we give you gifts, we give you cash. You can make upfront commission and residuals. This to me is something that we don't really focus on, but it's a very powerful asset to have. If something's working for you on a daily basis and it's a no-brainer and you're seeing profit every day, and if you could make money from sharing that, a lot of people would say, hey, why not? Right? So you can see the different gifts that we have here. I'm not going to go all the way through them, but at the very bottom, we get where we're literally giving away G-Wagons, Range Rovers, Lamborghinis, Ferraris. At the very top, AirPod Pros, MacBook Pros, iMacs. We are here to help you grow. We're giving away a G-Wagon officially on May 1st. We're doing a live drawing. Crazy things going on. All right. You also have the ability to get paid upfront commissions and residuals. I'm going to go through this really quickly. When you refer someone to a Platinum Elite, monthly, you get paid $50 one time. Royalty, $70 one time. CEO Club, $100 one-time bonus. If they purchase annually, you get a 2-time one-time bonus. Okay, so whatever that amount is, double it. All right. The monthly residuals at the Platinum Elite, you get paid 15% monthly. The Royalty and CEO Club, you get paid 20%. So if someone's spending $149, you're getting either 15 to 20% of that monthly. Okay. This is not a network marketing company or anything like that. We have it set up for all of you that listen, if you want to refer people, you get to get paid. Right? So many people refer people to things in life, whether it's a movie, a restaurant, and you don't get anything from that. On a daily basis, your money will be working for you. When you see the results, you're happy with it. At that point, you have the ability to share it with others and also get paid. You know, I love what Robert Kiyosaki said here, and I do want to quote this. He said, a wealthy person is simply someone who has learned how to make money when they're not working. Right? With the AI software, the money's working for you regardless when you're sleeping. When you share this with other people, the work has already been done, but you continually get paid on that month after month, year after year on the subscription and the lifetime membership of every client you refer to Manifest. So it's a super powerful, huge way to add multiple streams of income. You have the actual AI, passive income. You have the manual trading, binary, Forex, crypto. You can choose what you want to focus on, or if you want to focus on all three, right? Then you have the ability to share this and get paid. We also now are including in every single membership a Manifest mobile app that the live signals, the live sessions, the training sessions, all of that is right here on your phone. So regardless of where you are, you can pull up the sessions, you can pull up the signals. We'll send out a live signal. Hey, this is an amazing trade opportunity. All you do is go to your Manifest app. At that point, it's going to give you the points to get in and where to get out. All you do is copy and paste that. Super, super powerful. In the Royalty and CEO Club, we have a lot more things that come with the app that is absolutely powerful. I'm not going to take time to talk too much on that, but it is loaded with funnels, anything you can need to share this. It has everything, proprietary information like you've never seen in technology that is absolutely brilliant. Okay. Now I want to talk about something that is really powerful and really something that we're passionate about here at Manifest. We also partnered with Hope for Justice, and at this point we've already donated over $1,500. And those of you that don't know what Hope for Justice is doing, they're fighting against human trafficking, right? We know that this is a major issue in the world and not a lot of people are doing a lot about it, but those who are, we partnered with them. We're putting our money where our mouth is, where our passion is, where our desire is for change, and we're doing something beautiful. Okay. So we're really big about not just making money, but contributing to society in a beautiful way. And I cannot tell you how excited we are about that. Okay. So with that being said, I want to first off say, welcome to the family. We're excited to have you here. There's some amazing specials going on right now. $149 for the Platinum Elite software, $269 for the Royalty Package, and $499 monthly for the CEO Club. Here's a reality, guys. Your money is either going to grow for you or it's going to grow for your bank. And I don't know about you, but it does not make sense to help wealthy people continue to get more wealthy and you get left out of the equation. All right. If there's one thing that I hope that you get from this call is this: you deserve to be wealthy, but you don't get in life what you deserve. You get in life what you work for, what you know, and what you have access to. All right. So I appreciate all of you. Hope you guys enjoyed this. And for those of you that are just seeing this for the first time, make sure to go ahead and take action, right? Every day that your money's not working for you, it's working against you. And the thing that I love about Manifest is you don't have to know anything about Forex investing to make money. The AI software is smarter than we are. And at that point, the AI software is going to be working on your behalf every single day, as long as you're using the softwares. Okay. So appreciate you all coming out. Once again, my name's Josh Feltz. Stay blessed, continue to manifest, and I will see you on the inside. Have a great night.